Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today I have a special gift for you. I will share my indicator that I use for prop companies, risk position calculator indicator. As you know, if you trade for any kind of prop company, you will have always maximum loss. So 5%, 4%, 10%, different prop companies, different rules. You will have a target, but you need to monitor your drawdown. Because the problem with the drawdown, I want to share one indicator that I created for myself to help me for better trading. Maybe you will not like it, but I want to share. Maybe you will like it, like I said. So just go to my website. You have a link just below this video, and here you can type position size calculator. When you type position size calculator, just create search. When you create a search, you will find an article, how to download and install position size calculator from MT4 for funded account. And here you will have a link and just download. After you download, you can go and export to the MT4 platform. As you know, in MT4 platform, you need to download and install indicator. Here in MT4 folder, then indicators. Here in indicators, you can export and put this file so you can use for trading. Now we're on MT4 platform, and this is the risk indicator. I just put it on the screen. So this indicator, risk indicator, you can set two things. You can put which time frame you want to monitor, because you know, if you trade for prop companies, you have a lot of phases. You don't want to monitor trades from previous phase, so just put here last 200 days, 100 days, 50 days, so the number of days when you got your new fresh account. Then here you put your maximum risk position that in your opinion is the best for your account. And then you put the limit drawdown. For example, your drawdown is $5,000, $3,000, $10,000. Here you can put it. And you will have something like this. Here you can see the current drawdown for my account. It's a maximum drawdown, so you can know it's a maximum from the highest high to lowest low point. And you can monitor your trades, and the best thing is you can always think, if you add another position as current position, what will be the risk in percentage, and I put that here so I can know. For example, if I add one more trade, I will have 0.2% risk. If I add two more trades, 0.2% risk. Three more trades, 0.3, etc., etc. This is because I have a big account with many lots, and because of that, this is the small numbers. But your numbers will be much better, much different if you put that on your real account. And here you can see the risk in dollars. You can see the average risk in dollars per position. This is something that I use for myself. So this is not created for other people. It's for myself. I will just share with you. Maybe if you trade for some prop company, maybe you will try, and maybe this indicator will be beneficial for you. So I wish you a good trading. I wish that indicator helps you, and this is it. Bye bye.